Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to pay your Xfinity bill online. First, go to the Xfinity website and sign in using your Xfinity ID and password. Once you're logged in, click the profile icon in the top right and select billing from the drop-down. On the billing page, you'll see your amount due. Click Make a Payment. From here, choose whether you want to pay the full balance or enter a different amount. You can also pick your payment date, including scheduling a future payment. Next, choose a save payment method or add a new bank account, credit card, or debit card. Click Continue, review your details, and then submit your payment. And that's it. That's how to pay your Xfinity bill online. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.